Hello and welcome to Easy Drupal. Today I'm going to show you a really good module if you're updating your site from Drupal 8 to Drupal 9. It is called Upgrade Status. So this is a site, well, it's a Drupal 8 site that I've had for a long time, haven't done anything with it. I'm just going to use this to demonstrate the module. So the module is called Upgrade, if I can spell, Upgrade Status. There it is there. I've already installed it, already uploaded it. Okay, that's now installed. If you go to reports, you'll see you've got an upgrade status module, and this basically gives you a summary of everything you need to do to upgrade your site from Drupal 8 to Drupal 9, or to make it compatible with Drupal 9. So I'll just break this down for you. It's a fairly simple site, so there's not really that much wrong with this. So at the top, you've got some environment stuff. Everything we've got seems to be okay. We've got Drupal core must be 8.8 or 8.9, which we've got. PHP must be 7.3 or above, we've got that. And minimum version of MariaDB must be 10.3.7, we've got that. The only thing we haven't got is config directories in settings PHP is deprecated, so we would have to update that. So the first section we've got is those modules that we're not actually using, those that are switched off. So all of these modules here can be removed, and that will get rid of that section. Next up, we've got some modules that have an update that's available that may or may not be compatible with Drupal 9, although on this one, it does look like they are all compatible. So this will tell us whether the version that's on Drupal.org is compatible with Drupal 9. And in this case, yes, it is. So all of these modules we would update. And what I'll do in the next video is actually go through the process and show you how I do this. So at the moment, I'm just summarizing what it does, and then we'll go through and fix some of these issues, hopefully get this site ready for Drupal 9. Then a bit further on, we have got a project. This is a custom module, one that I did for, I think, a training exercise or something. And basically it's saying that the local version 9 is not compatible. Obviously, because it's a custom module, there isn't a Drupal.org version, so we have to manually update our local version. So what we can do is scan that using the tool. There is a button there somewhere, but obviously it's behind my face. Okay, so I'm scanning, or I've scanned that module, and it now should give me a bit more detail about what is required to fix it. So it's found 3 problems, and we can look at those in this modal pop-up. So we've got a call to a deprecated method. So basically that's no longer going to exist in Drupal 9, so that will break. There's 2 calls to that, which we can fix. And then in the info.yaml file, we have got the core version requirement isn't there. So it's obviously pointing to Drupal 8, and it needs to be told that it can work with Drupal 9. So that's an easy manual fix. These 2 here, we can use something called Drupal Rector to fix. Now that is an automated command line script that will fix these 2 issues for us, hopefully. So in the next video, I'll show you how to install Rector, and we'll see if we can have a go at fixing these 2 issues. As well as that, we will do these updates, remove these ones that we no longer need, and as I say, fix the ones with Rector. Okay, that'll be in the next video. Thanks very much for watching. See you soon.